Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Binance in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with updated interfaces and security features, making it a breeze for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're diversifying your crypto portfolio or preparing for a trade, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Binance and that your USDT is in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your USDT balance and select the Withdraw option. This is usually found under the Assets details. Next, you'll need to choose the right network for the transfer. USDT can be on networks like Ethereum, ERC20, or Tron, so double-check which one your USDT is on in Coinbase. It's crucial to match this with Binance to avoid any lost funds. Always verify to prevent errors. Now, hop over to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section, select USDT, and choose Deposit. Binance will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's your destination for the transfer. Back in Coinbase, paste the Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, review the transaction details including any fees, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. Be mindful of network fees, they can add up, and never share your wallet addresses publicly. If you run into issues, both platforms have support resources. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it opens up more opportunities in the crypto world. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.